A deadly flooding disaster unfolding in Slovenia. Emergency crews carrying out swift water rescues, dragging this woman out the window of her car. Airlifting survivors from the floods and using rafts to pull residents from their homes. Torrential downpours hitting the northern and central regions of the European nation Thursday night, dropping a month's worth of rain in 24 hours. The mayor of this town saying a landslide has cut off access to one village and people are still trapped. So far across Slovenia, at least 3 people dead, thousands more forced to evacuate their homes, a state of emergency stretching across nearly the entire country. Aerial footage revealing the extent of the devastation, entire neighborhoods submerged. Power reportedly knocked out in roughly 16,000 households. The storm, which is still dropping torrential rain, now on the move. A government hydrologist warning an entire river basin in the east could overflow, the country bracing for more dangerous flooding as it picks up the pieces from the damage already done. Matt Bradley, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.